As anyone who watches YouTube videos knows, viewers will often leave a comment and include a time link. This allows other viewers to know what part of the video the comment refers to. The link can also be clicked to be taken directly to that moment in the video. This is a great feature, but there is an obvious next step to add to the conversation in the comment sections. The added interaction from the concept being discussed would add to the viewer's experience and also increase activity on the video to the benefit of the channel. This great next step would be for viewers to have the ability to find all the comments with time links in a certain range. All viewers have found themselves scrolling through the comments to find a time link from a moment in the video. Perhaps to see what people are saying about a song, joke, product, or something else that caught their attention in a video. With enough scrolling, a time link can often be found regarding the moment in the video of interest. In the future, such scrolling will be recognized as unnecessary. Once viewers are given an option to pull up all the comments with a time link in a certain range, they would be able to easily find all the conversations about that moment. Giving viewers this option gives them the ability to get more involved with the channels they enjoy. It also provides a more effective path for a viewer to find information, using YouTube as their search platform. If you would like to have this option when using YouTube, like and share this video so it can find the audience that can put it in place. This channel will be discussing at least one and possibly two concepts highly related to this one in the coming months. Subscribe so you don't miss those or other ideas of interest to you.